Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Eric Saxog, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer. There's a whole lot to see in this coach, lots to enjoy. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer, you do have a proper queen size bed. This is a real queen, not an RV queen. Beautiful thing is that means the sheets that you have at home for your queen size bed will fit this perfectly. No need to go out and get custom sheets. As you go here, you've got a huge wardrobe space in there, plenty of room for a couple seasons of clothes. Good for his and hers usage. You've also got two very generous sized dresser drawers in here as well. Note the quality of construction, the fit and finish of these. They're just very well done. You've got a TV up above, and you've also got a little bit more storage space down there below. Really cool thing, you've got a nice sized bathroom in here. Just check out the size of this and all the storage space that you've got in here. There's a ton of space. Good for linens, good for miscellaneous items, extra toilet paper, stuff like that. But here's the other thing, the shower. I stand about 5'9", I weigh 200 pounds, and as you can see, there's plenty of room for me to move about here. With my back all the way up against this, I've still got plenty of room. My fingers aren't touching at all. So lots of room to move around in here. This is a quite nice size for a bathroom. As we move out into the rest of the coach, little storage bay right here. This is going to be perfect for use as a pantry. Also good for maybe some extra linens and bath towels in the bathroom. Main entertainment station out here. You do of course have storage above and on the side here. Got a nice TV, electric fireplace. This will actually do a pretty good job of keeping the heat in the coach once you've used the furnace to heat it up. You've got a nice big easy chair right here, and this sofa doesn't look like much until you actually open it up, and then it becomes a nice L-shaped sofa or sectional like you'd have in your home. Really a big addition for a coach like this. You've also got your 4-door gas electric refrigerator, plenty to see, and as you can see in there, it does have an ice machine or ice maker as well. As we move on to the rest of the kitchen area, you are of course going to have solid surface Corian countertops. There is a double basin stainless steel sink as you would expect. You are going to have a 3-burner gas cooktop and a residential size convection unit up top. Not to mention lots of storage space up here for pots and pans and plates, and more storage space down here below for maybe some larger pots and pans, right? You do of course have a beautiful, very large dinette, and as you can see, if I'm sitting in here, there is plenty of room for another person to sit right over here, and as you can see, there's no chance of me knocking knees with anybody or trying to play footsies with someone I shouldn't be. So we move on up into the cab of the coach. Lots of storage up above again, as you can see. As we get in here, this will feature a Ford F53 chassis. This is a 2015, so it will feature a 5-speed transmission. You're also going to have auto gen start up front. You're also going to have power down front and side view shades. And then from here, you're also going to be featuring tow haul mode for great control when you're going downhill. And you also do, of course, have auto leveling jacks as you would expect. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have for the inside of this coach. Let's take a look at the wonderful exterior. So on the exterior of this 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer, first thing to note, check out the paint job. That's right, this is full body paint. This coach is going to look just as beautiful in 10 years as it does today. Safety on motorhomes is got to be priority number one. You do of course have safety side view cameras built in here on both mirrors. Those will be activated of course when you turn on your turn signals. As we work our way back, there is no shortage of storage space in this coach. As you can see, you've got 3 massive storage bays over here. You've got 3 massive storage bays on the other side of this coach as well. You are of course going to have your outdoor entertainment. There is a big TV right behind there. And then you are going to have a big power awning that'll stretch from this point all the way back up to the front of the coach. More storage here, and as you can see very clearly, there is a dirt devil system in there. This coach is equipped with central vac. And of course, more storage. This rear compartment is a full pass-through storage bay. Lots of good opportunities to be able to take long trips, go full time if you want, or just have fun with lots of people on a short trip. You are of course going to have your backup camera And then around this side, this is the other side of that full pass-through storage bay, you're going to have a 5500 watt generator, and that is going to power both the AC units on top, no problem. And then this is your wet bay, which as you can see is very easy access. No worries, it's pretty simply designed. Nothing crazy here going on. Don't have to be a rocket scientist, no worries. And then of course up front, the remaining bays are going to be more storage. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer. Once again, my name is Eric Saxog, and as I'm sure you know, there's a lot of features in this coach I haven't been able to go into with as much detail as I would like. If you have questions on this coach or any of the other wonderful coaches on our property, please feel free to contact me using the information below on the screen. Or if you wish, please feel free to contact me directly on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.